Hey everyone, today we're testing our very first n8n automation, a simple chat trigger powered by an AI agent using the chat model. Now let's ask our AI agent to solve a simple math problem just to make sure our setup is working correctly. Go to the Workflows tab and click on Create Workflow to create a new one. We're going to build our workflow from scratch, so click on it first step, search for Chat Message in the menu that appears, and then add the Chat Message trigger. Now we're going to add the AI agent, which will act as the brain of our entire workflow. Now let's plug in the OpenAI chat model node and select Checked.